Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on a brand new 2020 Mercedes CLA. How the system works is every time you jump in, you would have to turn on the ignition and go through a push sequence on the steering wheel, or have a Bluetooth tag paired to it, Starline Bluetooth tag, or pair it up with Starline key on your phone. So the customer's got this key and he's paranoid. So we're going to show you now, if someone was to jump in, try and start it, this is what would happen. Car won't start, okay? It'll try and crank, but it won't start. Okay, so every time you jump in the vehicle now, if you turn the ignition on, go through a push sequence on here, we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, disarm melody, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it's got the facility to change the code. So if you want to change the code, this is also very simple. So ignition on, put your disarm code in. Once you've got your disarm code and you get your melody, you do this. So main ignition on, 1, 2, 3, disarm melody, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, key back on, get 5 bleeps. So now I'm going to change it to this. 1, 2, 3, pause, receive a melody, and repeat again. 1, 2, 3. There you go, code now learnt. So ignition off. Give it about 10 seconds for it to arm itself again. And we'll try the new code. So ignition on, main ignition on, disarm. I think that's what I did. Melody, there you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can pair it to an app called Starline Key and use it as a Bluetooth tag. So all you do is when you jump in, turn the ignition on, listen to your melody and start your vehicle. So to do that, main ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, key off, pause, key on, main ignition on. You've got 7 bleeps that now becomes discoverable, and you can search for it, store it on the Starline Key app. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.